ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಸ್ಯಗಾರಿಕೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಏಲೂರು. Okay. Today we will discuss about A-star algorithm. This is the A-star algorithm. The best first search algorithm that was just presented is a multiplication in algorithm called A-star algorithm. What is A-star algorithm? The best first search algorithm that was just presented is a simplification. An algorithm is called A-star algorithm, which was first presented by Hart, H-A-R-T. This algorithm uses the same F, G, and Y, F, G, and H dash functions, as well as the list open and closed. The form of heuristic function for A star is F equal to G plus H dash. When G of n equal to H of n, that is estimates of the cost or distance from the start node to node n, and the distance from the node n a goal node. Okay, here algorithm step 1 starts with open containing only the initial node. Okay, set the nodes G value the H dash value to whatever it is. Okay, and its F dash value to H dash plus 0 or H dash. Okay, clear? Set closer to the empty list. Set to closer to the empty list. Step 2. Until a goal node is found, repeat the following procedure. If there are no nodes on open, a report failure. Otherwise, pick the node on open with the lowest F dash value. Okay. Call it best nodes. Okay. Remove it from open place. It and closed. Okay. See, the best node is a goal node. If so, addition report solution either best node. If all we want is a node or the path that has been created between the initial state and best node. Okay. If we are interested in the path, otherwise generate the successor of best node, but don't say best node to point to them. The successor of best node, but don't Okay. It should be the path we have just found the successor is cheaper than the current best path toward. Okay. And next step, if successor was not open, see if it is on up, so it is on closed. Okay. If so, call the node closed word and a list of best node. But best node. This is the optimal tier is touch. Optimal tier is here, provided that HFN never overestimates the cost to reach the goal. Then in tree, such A star gives the optimal solution. Very, very important point. A star gives the optimal solution. Suppose G2 is a suboptimal goal node generated the tree. Let C star be the cost of the optimal solution. Because C2 is a goal node, it holds the H of G2 equal, and we know that G2 equal to F of G2 equal to G of G2 greater than C star. On the other hand, if a solution exists, there must exist it node n that is on the optimal solution path in the tree. Okay, clear? Because H of n does not overestimate the cost of computing the solution path f of n equal to g of n plus h of n c star. We have shown that f of n c star less than f of g2. So g2 will not be expanded and a star must return an optimal solution. This is the example. Optimal solution. Graden, Geraint, Sivin, Pythagoras, Feminix, Milkis, this is the example. Okay. Next, iterative deepening A star. Iterative deepening A star, that is means ID A star. Iterative deepening A star. Deepening A star. Iterative deepening A star. That means ID A star. ID A star is a combination of the depth first iterative deepening and A star algorithm. Okay, DFID and A star algorithm. The successive iterations are corresponding to increasing values of the total cost of path rather than increasing depth of the search algorithm. Here works as follows. Step 1, for each iteration, okay, for each iteration, perform DFS pruning of a branch when its total cost of G plus H exceeds a given threshold. What is the first point? For each iteration, perform a DFS pruning of a branch when its total cost G plus H exceeds a given threshold. Step 2. The initial threshold starts at the estimated cost of the start state and increases for each iteration of the algorithm. Okay. And step 3, the threshold used for the next iteration is the minimum cost of all values exceeding the current threshold. These steps are repeated till we find a goal state. We find a goal state. This is the IDA or ideation. For each iteration, perform a DFS pruning. Okay. DFS pruning of okay. For each iteration, perform DFS pruning of a branch when its total cost of G plus H exceeds a given threshold. The initial threshold starts at the estimated cost of the start state and increases for each iteration of the algorithm. The threshold used for the next iteration is the minimum cost of all values exceeded the current threshold. These steps are repeated till we find a goal state. This is very, very important algorithm. Iterative deepening A star. Iterative deepening A star. Let us consider an example to illustrate the working of IDA star algorithm to shown in figure 2.2. 2.13. Okay. Initially, the threshold value is the estimated cost of the start node. Okay. In the first iteration, threshold equal to 5. Now we generate all the successors of start node and compute their estimated value as 6, 8, 4, 8, and 9. The successors having values greater than 5 are to be pruned now for next iteration. This is the example. We consider the threshold to be the minimum of the prune nodes values, that is threshold equal to 6, and the node with 6 value along with node that threshold equal to 6 and the node with 6 value along with node with value 4 are retained for further aspects. This is the example. Threshold equal to 5. First iteration threshold equal to 5. Second iteration threshold equal to 6. Third iteration threshold equal to 7. This diagram illustrates the working of IDA. Iterative deepening A star algorithm. Okay. Here threshold equal to 4. The value 4. Here consider the threshold to be the minimum of the prune nodes values. Okay, minimum of the prune nodes values. Minimum of the prune node values. That is threshold is equal to 6. Okay, and the node with 6 value along with node with value 4 are retained for further expansion. Okay, further expansion. This is the iteration 1. Here threshold value equal to 5. Okay. Second iteration threshold value 6. Third iteration 7. Final the goal state equal to 544. Threshold value 5. First iteration threshold value 5. Second iteration threshold value 6. Threshold 7. Third iteration threshold 7. Okay. This is the working of iterative deepening A star algorithm. Okay. Very important type. Here once again, let us consider an example to illustrate the working of IDA star algorithm as shown in figure 2.1. Okay. Initially, the threshold value is estimated cost of the start node. Okay. Initially, the threshold value is the estimated cost of the start node. In the first iteration, see the diagram. Threshold value equal to 5. Threshold value 5. Now we generate all the successes of start node and compute their estimated values of 6, 8, okay, 4, 8, and 9. 68, 4, 8, and 9. Okay. Now we generate all the successes of the start node and compute their estimated value as 6, 4, 8, and 9. Here the successes having values greater than 5 are to be pruned. Okay, greater than 5 are to be pruned. 6 is greater than 5, 8 is 5, 8 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 5. Okay, clear? Greater than 5 are to be pruned. Now for the next iteration. Okay. Okay. Here next iteration, 8 is greater than 4, 4 is greater. 4 equal to 4, 7 is greater than 4. So 4 pruned. Okay. Next iteration, third iteration. Next 6. The goal state is 4, 4, 5 to 4, 4 to goal state. Okay. Okay, madam. The working of iterative deepening A star algorithm. Okay. Okay. This is the iterative depending star algorithm, advantages and example. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tamanda.